going to uh let me increase this stuff. So we're going to do uh so we have okay, so Chike is the artist we have in mind, and our tempo is 102. The tempo is 100, but there's something I love to do. I'll add additional 2 to whichever tempo the song is. For instance, if the song is 100 like this, I add 2, so 102. If it's 102, I do 104. If it's 50, if it's 80, 82, just like that. So the reason why I do this is because we are producing the song digitally, and I don't want it to sound robotic. I want this human element on the song. So uh, this gives me room to use the swing. You get, so I can actually swing the song up to maybe 35%, and then it will delay the song. That's it will delay the metronome, the count per beat on the bars and the brace, whatever, and give this human element, because once it's too perfect, hitting that note perfectly, the time frame, then it becomes robotic, and music should be more of art than science, so we should enjoy and have that human feel. So that's why I do that. So and then so let's go. The first thing we have is conga. So it's like a key and conga. So the next thing is shakers. So what we have next is kick, and then we have rim shots. Okay, and then we have plastic. Okay, this is what's it called? Bottled water container. So most of the things you hear is junk around my cup, well, to match my cup, and most of the junks around here. So we have the wood. Okay, this wood, while I was padding this place, I had this furniture wood I used to make this desk. So while I was hitting, I heard the sound. Ooh, it was sweet. So I had to use it, record it. So I think that's all for the percussion. So we have so this is the keys. So I have this, so I duplicated it and reversed the keys. Yes. So after that we have the bars. Okay, so we have the muted guitar. Okay, so we have the acoustic. So the electric acoustic guitar. Everything is digital. Yes, log drum. So the way plugins respond to audio wave samples like this is different from when it's responding to a VST plugin. So that's why I always love to export my sound, then mix them as stems. So that's the best way you should. So we're going to listen to everything together before we mix. Sweet. So what we'll do is come here, highlight everything, then we go to our mixer, Control Shift L, and oh shit, I did the wrong thing. Control Shift, select the first channel, L. So, and that's it. So let's start. We have the keys. So piano, let's choose Afro piano. I love it. So we're mixing with the FL Studio Pro mixing preset that I give out for free. So you see what you're getting. I gave out, I did 10 billion naira giveaway. Okay, so let me see Afro keys. I don't like it. I love the ambience it's given, but not for this song. So let me use soft. Okay. Yeah, so I love this. So the next thing here is, okay, the rims and conga. We come to percussion, conga and rim. I love that reverb. Okay, so what next? Okay, shakers. This is shakers. Let's see shaker 1. Yes, this is just EQing. So remove the mid-range, increase the high end, and reduce the low end. But I need more of the mid-range because of the concept of the song. So it's okay like this. What next? Kick. So kick. Let's see, mad kick, mad brick wall. Okay, I don't like it. It's not mad enough for the song. So let's see, kicking. I think I know this. Okay. Okay, so okay, I love the depths. So what next? Yeah, the rim shot. Now there's something I want to do with this rim shot. So let's look for sweet rims. Yes, so this delay, it adds this feeling to the song. Reduce the high end. I want to use flangos and just give it this celluloid. Let me see. Yes, so it moves from one ear to the other, and then let's bring back the low end. I want it. Then okay, so just reduce it. So the flangos, let's see, depth. Okay, so what next? okay, muted guitar. So guitar modes. Hear the difference. Woo! So I'm going to pan this to the right by 50%. I love it. What next? Oh, our electric guitar. So let's come to guitar. Let's choose lead guitar. I love it, but okay, I want it to be brighter, so I'll reduce this blood overdrive. So pan to the left by 50%. Yeah, so let's see next. Oh, log drum. So log drum is here. Log drum mode. This is sweet. Hear the difference. So I reduce the low end. Yeah. Sweet. What next? Okay, bottle water. So let's see, it's like a gong. I need it to sound very abstract. So let's see African percussion. Okay, I think I love this. Give it more. Low end, yes. So whoosh. Okay, the sub bass. So what we just do is come to bass, dance sub. Let's see. No. Bassist, gospel bassist, Juno. Let's see Afro bass. I love it. So I think the last. Okay, our rim, our wood. So what do we use? Let's see. No. Okay, so let's see Mawaka. Okay, so you see what the EQ. Let me give it more brightness. So I'm going to increase the brightness here. So I'll add let me add flangos. I want that celluloid feel. Give it drums. So this is what I'll do. Reduce the wet, increase the dry. I don't want it to be harsh. Let me introduce. So let me cut. So I think that's all. So let's listen to everything together. Let's listen one after the other. I think let's start from this. So Okay, so let's go to master and master. Okay, let me see, and master. So let's preview. Okay, reduce the low end and the low mid, but I want that on this song, so I increase it. Multiband compressor, stereo enhancer. Let's see. Woo! Sweet. So that is all. So this is what you get for free. Okay. 1 billion naira giveaway. Okay, let's enjoy. All right. Peace out.